Welcome to our channel Healthy Life. In this video, we will talk about the natural fixes for sagging skin. Before starting this video, I just quickly want to recommend my favorite home remedy guide, The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies, that I think you will also love. The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies is the best guide that you have never seen before in your life. This guide will share the secret about all the natural ingredients, fruits, veggies, herbs, and a lot. Check the link down in the description below. Let's start our video. One of the problems that we have to face as we age are wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging skin. The most prominent parts of the skin that show up with signs is the forehead, skin around the eyes, mouth and nose. Our skin has the epidermis and dermis. The epidermis is the outer layer of our skin, while the dermis is the inner part of our skin, which is responsible for keeping the outer layer firm or wrinkled. Collagen and elastin are the fibers in the epidermis that, if they decline or are low, the skin will wrinkle. As we age, our body loses the ability to naturally produce collagen, and thus our skin wrinkles and can't get back to its original shape. There are different methods to treat sagging skin. There are natural home remedies, anti-aging treatments, anti-wrinkle creams, etc. Natural fixes for sagging skin. Apply egg whites to the skin under eyes. Gently massage coconut oil on portions of skin prone to wrinkle before bedtime. Rub the core of pineapple on the face and leave it for up to 15 minutes. There are other natural remedies for wrinkles, but most people don't have time or don't want to deal with making their own recipes, so there are other treatments and products that contain natural or organic ingredients and can have a powerful effect in your skin appearance. Some of the invasive treatments that people use to get rid of sagging skin are cosmetic surgery, laser resurfacing, facelifts, Botox, etc. But there are some breakthrough natural ingredients from New Zealand that, mixed in a cream, have a powerful anti-wrinkle effect. Synergy TK is a natural ingredient that increases the skin's natural ability to produce collagen and elastin. This causes the skin to gradually reduce wrinkles and sagging skin. Antioxidants are very important on any anti-wrinkle cream because they prevent the skin from getting damaged by free radicals and toxins. You should also keep in mind some natural preventive measures, such as avoiding the sun, use a sunscreen, exercise, avoid smoking, eat healthy foods full of vitamins. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it. Click the links in the description for recommended resources. If you like this video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe.